Yeah. Welcome to Rich-Minded Skills. Most traders lose money using forex robots, not because robots don't work, but because they don't understand how to use them correctly. Today, I will show you why robot fails, how professional use them, and a real time on MT5 example on. I just put on gold. Just to put gold and another pair again. So welcome to Rich-Minded Skills. This channel is dedicated to forex education, automation, and capital protection. Whether you are a beginner or experienced trader, my mission is simple: help you trade smarter, not harder. Let's just go to. I just take this to the chart. Take BTC. Take Euro. Take this again. Okay, I think this was enough. And then we want just to see how it's just working here. Let me just be honest. Let's just be honest. The robots don't fail. Robots don't fail. Traders misuse them. Here is the biggest mistake I see every day, and every time, because I've been using this thing for long. I've seen some mistakes. Mistake number one is just risk management. People increase lot size too fast, ignore the drawdown, and sometimes they aim on results. They just think on results instead of just thinking. And also, other people don't want to learn that thing. They just aim on the profits. Mistake number two is just a small account and big expectation. You get someone have a small account and his expectation just to make 1,000 of money in that time, and they want the robot immediate. When the robot execute the trade, you have to go direct to 10k, 10,000 to 1,000 like that. They're expecting too much, while sometimes they have a small account. Even if you have a big account, also you just putting bigger lot size. So the thing is just small capital, big expectation. The mistake number three is just market understanding. Robot need structure. They're not designed for gambling, but they follow the structure that have been there. So they follow that one. Another thing is just emotional interface. Closing trade earlier, changing settings daily. So you cannot understand which one is the best. Robot is just a tool, and not a magic button. So I just want to show you. Let me just check the robot. I will check the robot to the pair, like this one, and this is the setting. This is where we just allow, and then I will just click give it OK first. And then the algo trading, my algo trading is off, as you see. Now, so you cannot take to any trade. So I'm just here, as you can see, in the USD JPY, the robot have been telling us here. Let me remove grid and then minimize this. The robot is just telling me Rich-Minded Pro Max Sniper Audition. Symbol is SSD. Time is just period 1 hour. Condition of the market is consolidating. Just telling us it's just consolidating. As you can see, the market is just consolidating. Trend strength is 33 over 100. It's a week. Volatility normal. Quality score 7 over 10. Signal is just telling you wait, and the reason is just telling switch to higher time frame for clarity. Information, it is 160 balance capital. So we just switch maybe to another time frame like 4 hours, still telling us consolidating. Switch to the higher time frame for clarity. We switch again. Level. It is just market is choppy. Do not trade. Do you see? The robot is just telling the market is choppy, do not trade. The market is choppy, do not trade. So you have to wait. Market is just ranging, as you can see. It is so in this market I will not trade. I will not trade in this market. So what I will just do here, I will just remove this pair away. I will just go to another pair, like maybe euro now. I will just take again the robot to the pair like this, to the chart. Remember that the algo trading still that way, still cannot open any trade. Okay, even this one also, it is just do the bigger picture at least. Consolidating 33 week, as you can see also in the euro. Also suggesting the week normal, switch to high time frame for clarity, 4 hour time frame, normal, wait for stronger signal. Wait for stronger signal. It is just wait for a stronger signal, wait for a stronger. So if I'm just like to trade the euro USD, I have to wait for the stronger signal. For this one also, I will just wait it. So maybe also I will just take it out. I will come to BTC. Also I will just put the robot again. Just put the robot. Okay. High spread. So in this matter, as you can see, it is just telling you BTC on 1 hour, a stronger downtrend. Strength is strong, volatility normal, quality score is okay, but it's just telling you to wait. High spread, wait for normal condition because of high spread. But you can just take a trade here, but here you can just take manual trade, but because it already told you wait because of high spread. But if you like to go downtrend, you can just trade it. You can just trade, but it is just telling you wait because of high spread in the market now. So if the market is high spread, you can just decide on yourself that which kind of the market do you want, which kind of the place do you want. So even if I open the algo trading, the robot will not take any trade, will not take any trade. So from here I have to wait until I get what is good. I will come to gold now. I will just take the robot to the pair. I will click OK. I will see just wait, high spread on the market condition, but strong downtrend. On strong downtrend. So in here also it is just on sell direction, but the spread also is high, because this time now right away just really the spread is very high. So in this matter, it's here. If you like, you can just, if maybe you want to trade on high spread, you can just trade. Okay, so for this matter, I will just wait. As many people ask me, a demo account or real account? Here's the truth: forex market prices are always real, whether it is demo or real. Price volatility and movement are the same. The difference is just psychology and execution, not the market. That's why education matters than emotions. So when you are trading a demo account, you are free, you are not emotional, you feel you can just leave that account there, then you go, you just walk away, then you come again. But when you just trade what you can afford to lose, always you have the pressure, the emotions, and whatever you think about it, you think the profit, you think your problems. Oh my God. So it means that you cannot be on the matter. So as you can see, the robot has risk management, lot size, stop loss, take profit, use trailing stop. If you want to use, you can just say okay, true, trailing stop, break even, like this one. Also you can just limit. You have the limitation of max number of trades if you want to enable the trade, and the strategy also too. Yeah, so it means that you have to understand it. So this is rich-minded skills robot, and then so that's the reality. That's the reality. So as you can see on the gold now, this is an MT5 MT5 version. So gold is highly volatile always, while market is perfect for any time it means it will take trade. Here you can just see the RichMinded Pro Max operating automatically. As you can see, I did not take trade because the volatility is very high. The high spread high, I mean the spread is high. The spread is high. The spread is high. So it will not take a trade at any means. It will not, unless we have to wait for another time. Even if we change the time frame, we just change the time frame. We change the time frame, strong uptrend. So if you come to 4 hour, it is just telling you it's a strong uptrend. But if you go to 1 hour, it's strong uptrend, also just downtrend. You see, it is just a strong downtrend on 1 hour, but in 4 hour it's just strong just 5 seconds, a strong uptrend. You see, when you go to 1 day, a strong uptrend too. When you go to 1 week, it also just the same strong uptrend. So if you go lesser than time frame, strong uptrend in 30 minutes, a strong downtrend in 30 minutes too. So it just will detect according to that. So let's just go on in this thing. As you so always just understand that gold have high volatile, which market perform very high. Here you can just see the RichMinded operating that like the way you see it. Notice something. If you notice something very special, I've told you it just have stop losses, take profit, trailing stop, and break even. So this is not aggressive trading robot. Just this control is just a controlled automation. If after you already set each and everything, you set everything you want per day, number of trades you want per day, limited number of trades if it is 20, and you set the lot size you want, and the take profit and the trailing stop or whatever, you can just play the robot. And even if you put it even a month, then you will come and see the result you take on. So even if you cannot, you can just doing your work, you are doing other details, but the work is just still going on. Why traders win? Why some traders win? Why some people win with the robot? Why we win? Why I just showing you some results, some drawdowns on everything, because successful traders using robot focus on the settings. Capital protection first, patient over emotion. You get that? Guidance instead of guessing. So these don't chase the profit, they survive first than growing. So the survivor first, then grow. So the thing is just you have to maybe after you change, you say maybe I will just shoot the default setting, or just I want to use this. You understand my settings are this one. So after you just make a practice on demo, you get okay, my settings are this one are working perfect for me, and then after this one are enough for me. Just use them. If you just changing today this one, you cannot understand what you are doing. Right, you get that? So when the trade will take, I will just show again a video on another pair, on other pair. Let's just do this again to take the pair Sapati. Okay, high spread. So the spread is now high. You cannot take trade because I just like to understand my robot. Then I will wait until everything is okay. For trader who want to structure automation, RichFreedom Max Pro designed with the capital protection in mind. It just trades multiple pairs. It is fully automated, as you see, and comes with full guidance and live session. This is not a gambler. It is just for disciplined traders only. So if you're a gambler, it is not good for you. But if a disciplined trader, you want to grow, you know what you're doing in Forex, you understand, you are on the right path. So come and take this one, and all the links are in description. You will just see our Telegram channel link there, and also you will just see our website where you can just check the prices and all the details that are important, like that. And also the broker I'm using too. Also, if you like, you can just go in description. You got the link in description. So if you want free educations, updates, and learn automation properly, join my Telegram channel, RichMINDED Skills. The link is in description. As I said, education first, opportunity is the second thing. Okay, so thank you. Forex is not a get rich quick scheme. Understand that it needs skills. It needs skills. So if you just want a quick rich scheme, this is not a right path to you. It is just it just needs education. It just needs some smart way to think. So trade smart, protect capital. RichMINDED Skills is always there. Thank you for each and everything. Thank you for listening for me. Make sure you subscribe this if you see each and everything is important to you and nice to get you here. So I will just record another video on how it will take a trade and each and everything. Thank you for watching RichMINDED Skills. Bye bye.